Deep within the heart of the factory, the journey of flavor begins. Raw, sun-dried chilies, meticulously harvested, arrive, ready for their transformation.
Purity is paramount. Each chili undergoes a rigorous sorting process, ensuring only the finest specimens continue their journey.
The first crucial step, the primary crusher. Here, the whole chilies are dramatically broken down, unlocking their fiery essence.
From fragmentation to flow, the chili fragments are now expertly guided by the rhythmic pulse of the auger, moving ever closer to their powdered destiny.
The true pulverization begins. Within the pre-grinder, raw power transforms coarse fragments into the initial potent flakes of chili.
From coarse fragments, the journey continues. These fiery flakes are now guided towards the next stage of refinement, where their true essence will be unlocked.
Within the heart of the mill, the transformation is absolute. Raw power reduces substance to essence, creating a powder of unparalleled fineness.
Precision is paramount. The freshly milled powder undergoes a meticulous sifting, ensuring only the finest, purest particles proceed to the next stage.
The problem is, quality is never compromised. Every batch undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring the vibrant color and perfect consistency that defines our product.
With quality assured, the journey continues. The finely milled powder is now carefully transported, ready to join its brethren in the blending vat, a symphony of flavor awaiting its final composition.
The journey continues as the finely sifted chili powder enters the blending vat, where precision mixing ensures every particle contributes to the perfect, uniform flavor.
From the blender, the chili powder embarks on its next crucial stage, controlled drying. This process not only ensures optimal moisture content, but also unlocks deeper, more complex flavor notes.
Once perfectly dried, the chili powder is carefully cooled, ensuring its stability and preparing it for the crucial final milling stage, where its true fineness will be achieved.
Now the true power of the chili is unleashed. The high-speed pulverizer reduces the powder to an ultra-fine consistency, maximizing its potency and ensuring a smooth, rich texture.
Is the ultimate test of purity. The final sifting ensures that only the most uniform, exquisite chili powder makes it through, guaranteeing a consistent, premium product every time.
Having achieved perfect uniformity, the ultra-fine chili powder now enters the industrial ribbon blender. Here, it undergoes a meticulous homogenization process, ensuring every particle is perfectly integrated, ready for its next stage of transformation.
From the blender, our perfectly homogenized chili powder embarks on an invisible journey. Propelled by precision air pressure, it glides through the enclosed pneumatic conveyor, a testament to modern efficiency, heading directly to the final stages of its preparation.
Arriving at the packaging line, the chili powder meets the marvel of modern automation. The multi-head weigher, a symphony of precision, meticulously measures each portion, ensuring every bag contains the exact perfect amount of vibrant spice.
With the chili powder perfectly contained, the bags move swiftly through the sealing station, creating an impenetrable barrier. But the journey isn't over. Rigorous quality control awaits, as each bag undergoes meticulous inspection by advanced detectors, guaranteeing absolute purity. The final touches are applied as each bag receives its distinctive label, a mark of quality and origin. Then, with balletic precision, robotic arms take over, carefully arranging the finished products into cartons, completing their remarkable journey from raw ingredient to market.
From the sun-drenched fields, these humble dried peppers embark on their transformative journey. The first crucial step in crafting the perfect chili powder begins here, where raw material meets powerful machinery.
Deep within the heart of the machine, the true transformation unfolds. Powerful hammers moving with incredible velocity meticulously pulverize the dried peppers, releasing their potent essence into a cloud of fiery red dust.
The journey towards perfection continues. This vibrating sieve meticulously separates the finely ground powder from any remaining coarser particles, ensuring a consistent texture and superior quality for every batch.
For the ultimate in fineness and consistency, the chili powder undergoes air classification. Here, invisible currents of air meticulously sort each particle, ensuring every grain meets the exacting standards of perfection. The Korea's facing
subject. Quality control is paramount. A skilled technician ensures the chili powder meets every specification before it embarks on the final leg of its journey, ready to be blended or packaged, a testament to precision manufacturing.
Ensuring every particle contributes to the perfect fiery blend, the chili powder undergoes a meticulous mixing process, guaranteeing unparalleled consistency.
To guarantee the ultimate quality, every batch undergoes a rigorous final sifting, ensuring only the finest, most uniform chili powder proceeds.
With unwavering precision, the automated fillers spring to life, ensuring each container receives its exact measure of the vibrant chili powder ready for its journey.
Freshness is paramount. Each container is hermetically sealed, followed by the precise application of its identity, preparing it for the world stage.
From individual containers to neatly stacked pallets, the final stage of assembly showcases the symphony of automation, preparing the fiery essence for its global journey. Abilities. The journey nears its end, but not before a rigorous final inspection. Precision robotics ensure every package meets the exacting standards, a testament to modern manufacturing's unwavering commitment to quality.
From the production line to the towering cathedral of storage, the chili powder finds its temporary home. The automated storage and retrieval system, a ballet of steel and sensors, ensures every pallet is meticulously placed, ready.
From the depths of the warehouse, the finished product emerges. The forklift, a vital workhorse, orchestrates the final movement, bringing the chili powder ever closer to its destination. A symphony of precision and power.
The final checks complete, the cargo secured. This is the moment of departure as the chili powder embarks on its journey, a testament to the meticulous process that brought it to life. The open road awaits.
And so, the cycle continues. The factory, a living, breathing entity, tirelessly transforms raw ingredients into the vibrant spice that enriches countless dishes. A testament to innovation, precision, and the relentless pursuit.
From the vast expanse of the factory floor, we delve into the heart of refinement. Here, precision sifting ensures every particle of chili powder meets the exacting standards of quality.
With meticulous care, the refined chili powder embarks on its next journey. The automated transfer system ensures a seamless, uncontaminated flow, preserving every ounce of its potent flavor.
The journey nears its end. After meticulous blending, the chili powder undergoes stringent quality control, ensuring its vibrant color and intense flavor are perfectly preserved as it enters its final form.
Freshness is paramount. Robotic precision ensures each bag is perfectly sealed, locking in the intense aroma and flavor before receiving its distinctive mark of quality.
The final act of automation. With unwavering strength and precision, the finished product is prepared for its journey to markets worldwide. A testament to modern manufacturing excellence.
With precision and unwavering efficiency, the final bags are placed, completing yet another perfect pallet. A meticulous eye ensures every detail is flawless before the automated journey continues.
Through a labyrinth of organized efficiency, the automated transport system ensures every product finds its rightful place, ready for the next stage of its journey.
From the heart of the factory to the open road, each pallet represents countless hours of dedication, now poised to reach its destination.
Behold the culmination of dedication and precision, a testament to modern manufacturing, where every single bag contributes to a grand tapestry of global supply.
And so, the journey concludes with a final, intimate moment. The perfect embodiment of quality, ready to bring its vibrant essence to kitchens around the world.
From meticulous inspection, the perfectly packaged chili powder now joins its brethren, embarking on the next phase of its journey, a symphony of efficiency as each unit moves with unwavering precision.
The dance of automation begins, where precision robotics orchestrate the perfect arrangement of product into its final container. A ballet of steel and efficiency.
With a satisfying seal and a final flourish of identification, each box is prepared for its journey beyond the factory walls. Every detail meticulously attended to.
From individual units to towering stacks, the product is now prepared for bulk transport, a testament to industrial efficiency and the sheer scale of modern production.
And so, the journey culminates. Thousands of hours of meticulous processing, now ready to bring the vibrant taste of red chili powder to the world. A true marvel of modern manufacturing, from a single pepper to global distribution.